Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Hindu newspaper, so come read with me.
So the topic is, why does India need climate resilient agriculture? See, let's talk about the story so far. Climate change is real, and for India to continue meeting domestic food demands, agriculture needs to cope with the increasing unpredictability of the weather, declining soil health and growing air pollution. See, India depends a lot on agriculture for food and jobs, but today farming is in trouble because of the climate change, and rain is becoming unpredictable. Heat waves, floods, droughts are increasing, soil is losing nutrients, farmers are under stress. And so India needs a climate resilient agriculture, which means farming methods that can survive climate change. Now, what does climate resilient farming include? Okay, so seeds that can survive heat, drought or floods, less chemical fertilizers, more biofertilizers, smart farming using AI driven analytics and AI technology and data, better soil care and water management, early warning systems also. India is already working on this through climate resilient villages, ICAR research, digital agricultural tools, biotechnology and genome edited crops. But the problem is, these solutions are not reaching all farmers. Some farmers lack money, awareness and access. Policies are sometimes fragmented. So the conclusion is, to protect the food and farmers, India must quickly shift to smarter, climate-ready farming. Now let's talk about climate resilient agriculture. Uses a range of biotechnology and complementary technologies to guide farming practices and reduce dependence on chemical inputs while maintaining or improving productivity. Also, AI-driven analytics can integrate multiple environmental and agronomic variables to generate locally tailored farming strategies. Why does India need CRA? Because India is an agricultural nation with a rapidly growing population, which places increasing pressure on the need for more reliable farm productivity. Yet around 51% of India's net sown area is rain fed, and this land produces nearly 40% of the country's food, making it especially vulnerable to climate variability. Where does India stand today? See, in 2011, the Indian Council of Agriculture Research launched a flagship network project, National Innovations and Climate Resilient Agriculture, for enhancing the resilience and adaptability capacity for farmers to climate variability. Location specific climate resilient technologies such as a system of rice intensification, aerobic rice, direct seeding of rice, zero till wheat sowing, cultivation of climate resilient varieties tolerant to extreme weather conditions, in situ cooperation of rice residues, etc., have been demonstrated under the project in 448 climate resilient villages. Now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this topic and why this is important for your examination. It is highly important for GS paper 3 because it covers agriculture, climate change, food security, and key concepts can be used in the answers also, answer writing also. Climate resilient agriculture, genome edited crops, digital agriculture, sustainable farming, farmer income resilience, etc.
And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.